I'm Caitlin Leigh and I'm currently studying sport and exercise therapy. The university has been very accommodating, supporting with a note taker, adapting materials and being really accepting of me and my guide dog. It's so easy to book an appointment with the disability team. If they can help in any way, they will. So especially in first year when I was getting used to the place, they were always on hand if I needed any support or any advice with anything. It's a great place to be and it's easy enough for my guide dog to navigate. It's not too hectic, there's never anything on the floor. It's a clean, tidy, open space, so it's really good for me. During our diverse populations module, my lecturer asked me to coach a blind football session because I play blind football for England. So that was a great opportunity to share my story, share my perspective and let people live in my shoes for a minute. And then we did that with the staff as well when they had staff training. I taught some blind football to them to widen their understanding. Sports therapy is quite a practical subject, so my lecturers always demonstrate on me so I can feel what's going on. In the sports facilities we have live cameras that project onto screens around the room, so that's massively helpful. So yeah, it's been really accessible and the modern technology is amazing. The university has been massively helpful with placement. I struggled due to having a guide dog. People were refusing me for placement, so they've provided me with multiple opportunities on campus with local connections to help me get those placement hours and help me to thrive. I think it's always going to be difficult for people to understand completely what someone else lives, but that's the same for anyone with able-bodied or with a disability. But my course mates are really understanding. They all love the guide dog and they're always happy to help in any way.